Alis tayo sa dulo ng mundo. Obrigado, Brazil. Shout out to everyone. Mega love shout out. Mega love shout out to all of you. Thank you for being here, guys. I love you all. You can support me, guys, by sending super sticker or super chat. Just click the $sign below. And of course, guys, I have my PayPal link. You can send also through my PayPal link. Thank you. Thank you for all the love and support. God bless you all. Sa dulo ng mundo, na 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 na, tayo mag-aaway. Hi, cute girl. Yes, hello to you, Chandan. Hello to Marlon. Hello to El Fantasma Noni. Shout out to you. Sa dulo ng mundo. Dahil sumayaw ka nga. Oh, yung para pati. Ano nga yung kanta na yun?
Putsa. Ano yan?
Super nice.
Dadalhin
Akin na mag-ano ako,
aming bahay.
magbabalat pa ba?
Oo, doon. Nandun kay ate pala, marami mo siya binalatan.
Saan? Doon sa kabila?
Tindahan. Tapos may bumili ng yung na
Ba?
pomelo, pinapalatan. Binalatan ko.
Na 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 777 word of the King James Bible is love. Love for Christ. Hi to you. Shout out everyone. Super nice, beautiful baby. Thank you, Chadan. Das Express. Hi to you. Chadan. Marlon, hi. Double tap the screen, guys. Like, and subscribe to my channel. Alis tayo sa dulo ng mundo. How's everyone, guys? Double tap the screen. Thank you so much. How's everyone, guys? 15 days to go before Christmas. Wow. It is near already. Double tap the screen. Thank you. Mega love shout out to everyone. Sending love to all of you guys. How's everyone? Mega love shout out. Ayan, to Charan Das Express, of course, to Biglon, to Love for Christ, hi to you. El Fantasma Nuni, shout out everyone. Alis tayo sa dulo ng mundo. Ano na ba to? Paano ba to? How's everyone, guys? Ayan, I have my friend. A dancer friend. Face super nice, thank you. Dalawa yan. Magkaiba yan.
Ah?
Ito yung Honey Love, ito yung Wonder Love.
Ay, oo.
Yes, Amor na. I remember
ito yung
you.
maraming ito yung maraming
subscriber. Ito marami na din to, 556 na.
Ano to po yun? Mag-live pala, no?
Oh, pwede na siya mag-live kasi kailangan ko lang ng 250 minutes views para ma-unlock ko yung super sticker.
Para may magpasa kasi ng
Oo, okay. Sa dulo ng mundo, aalis tayo sa aming bahay. Dito ka, sumayaw ka kayo dito. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa dulo ng mundo.
Hindi na ako busy na. Wala na ako pinagka-busyhan na chat-chat.
Kaya pala makulit ka na. Hi everyone! Diglon, who is your friend? Ate Cherry, I know Filipino language. Thank you, she's pretty. Oh, maganda ka daw. Thank you, Biglon. Yeah, she's pretty.